Micah Miller with Easton Outdoors, back with another quick tip of the week. Hey, this week we're going to talk about how late is too late to put your trees or shrubs in the ground. So we often get asked this question: when can we stop planting? How late is it possible for us to put these trees or shrubs in the ground? The answer is pretty basic. As long as the ground isn't frozen, it's okay to plant. There's a couple things to keep in mind though when you're planting in late fall or winter months. Important thing to remember is not to actually use fertilizer when you're putting these trees or shrubs in the ground. Using a fertilizer often has a lot of nitrogen, and this encourages a lot of top growth, which is not something we want during the winter month. It's still okay to use peat moss or compost to amend the native soil. Next thing to remember is, even though it's not hot outside, it might still be dry. So make sure your plants are getting watered. A few gallons, typically this translates into about an inch of precipitation every week. So if we go through a dry spell during the winter months where there's no precipitation at all, chances are your shrubs need water. The thing to keep in mind is do not aggressively agitate the roots. It's okay to shake off excess soil and do a tiny bit of root pruning. Excessive root pruning can actually hamper the plant's health. Lastly, throw a little mulch around your new tree or shrub. It will help keep heat and moisture against the new plant. I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, let me know below. Thank you.